Welcome to this channel once again. Good morning, beloved viewers, wherever we are. Once again, I would like to welcome you to this channel. This is Waga Poultry Farm. My name is Mogoya Isa. I'm a teacher by professional, but of course, so passionate with poultry. This is our first step in this new project of poultry. We have just set our first poultry structure unit, a structure that accommodates about 1,200 birds. Of course, I mean the commercial layers. The structure has been constructed in such a way that it has two floors. I mean the ground floor and the first floor. It is a simple structure, not an expensive structure, of course. We look at economizing and of course cutting the budget or the cost of production. So you can really see the structure is very beautiful. We used the poles, and then on the sides we of course used bricks and cement, and then on the ground or the floor we have made the concrete floor. You can see it's really beautiful. When you look at this, it's very, very beautiful. So beautiful. I think you can see. You can see. Just waiting for it to dry up, and of course,